Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I'm Sai Khandekar and along with some of India's most loved chefs, we are bringing you 200 tiffin recipes for 200 school days. Today we're going to make spinach, corn and cheese breakfast cups, which is like a really fun muffin recipe. It comes together really quickly, it's packed with protein and fiber, and the best thing is you can make it to the earlier night. तो आइए देखते हैं कैसे बनाते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन एम्प्टी टिफिन। Let's start with the recipe. I already have my oven preheating at 180 degrees centigrade, and now in this bowl I'm just going to mix all the dry ingredients. So I'm going to start with 1 cup of whole wheat flour. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ground oats, 2 tablespoons of maida and 2 tablespoons of makkai ka atta. Along with that, little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm also adding a little bit of pepper to taste. Give it a very quick mix. And to this I'm going to add some sweet corn and some very coarsely chopped spinach. Give it a quick mix and then keep it aside. We'll start with the wet ingredients. Now in a separate bowl I'm going to add 1 egg, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, about a 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese which has been grated, and about 1 1/4 cups of milk. This is just milk at room temperature. All of this is going to get a good whisk. Now to this I'm going to add some Kissan Tomato Ketchup, about 3 tablespoons, and what this is going to do is it's going to give a great flavor and it's going to help to keep the muffins moist. So I'm just going to pour all of our egg and cheese and oil mixture into these. And with a very light hand, just fold all the ingredients together. Now the batter has come together really nicely. I'm going to spoon it in my muffin cases, which I've kept ready in a tray. Fill them about half the way up, so there's enough room for them to rise. And this is now ready to go into the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes. I think my breakfast cups are ready. The kitchen is smelling divine. I'm going to go and check on them. My breakfast cups have risen beautifully. They're looking a really nice and rich golden brown. I'm going to keep them here about 5 to 10 minutes till they cool down a bit, and then I'm going to pack my tiffin. I'm going to add 2 muffins per tiffin box. Along with that, some pomegranate and some date and badam roll. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, do subscribe to India Food Network, like, comment and share this video with your friends. I'm going to be back tomorrow with another fun recipe, and I'm going to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.